Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to make a cartoon version of yourself. The app that I'll be using today is the Picsart app. So I just wanted to give you all a quick rundown of what it actually looks like. It's a really quick and easy app, like it's very easy to use. So the first thing that I always like to do is type in like cartoon effect or cartoon face. So the first one is cartoon face. So anytime you want to recreate an image of yourself and you want to like make an animation or make a cartoon or just add like different graphic effects, you can type it in and search which one you like best. So now I'm going to just type in cartoon effects, and as you see, it's a lot of animations as well, and some have like different looks, different colors, just a lot of different creative ideas. So anytime I am recreating an image of myself, I always like to do this. So I just wanted to go through this with you all to just show you like potential. So I just typed in cartoon. So now I am just looking and trying to figure out which cartoon I want to look at. So I wasn't really feeling too many of the cartoons. Like they started to get like super anime, and I just wasn't going for that type of vibe. So I did go ahead and scroll back up after I realized I did not really care for any of these other ones, and I clicked on this really cute picture of this guy, and he has like this really cute pink cloud. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and I'm just gonna scroll down to see if I see any other cartoons that I see that I would possibly like. So I see the cute girl with her lollipop, and one cool thing about Picsart is that you can literally go through step by step. So it pretty much does it for you, honestly. You go through the crop, then you add the animation, then you make it fit, and then you add other animations. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into my photos and pick a picture out that I took, and give me 1 second as I find it. So this is the picture that I'll be using. So it's pretty much going to just take you through the steps. So I'm just going to preview what that's going to look like, just to make sure that everything in my background is erased. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and clear out that black part as well. That way I can have like the full frame of my body. So once I do that, then I go ahead and click next. So these are already presetting, so you don't really have to do too much, but you do want to make sure that if you choose any background, you can choose whatever color you want. So I went ahead and moved forward. As you see, she had the cloud, so I'm gonna have the cloud too, along with the drip effect. So it's really easy. It's not really too difficult. So right now I'm just playing around with it. I didn't really want any words or lettering for my animation, and I mean, honestly, it's like a 5-step. It's literally, it doesn't even take 5 minutes. It's super easy. So now that I have the image that I like, I'm gonna go ahead and save it. And now I'm gonna go to Pinterest. So you guys don't have to do this, but this is something that I like to do. But I'm gonna go into Pinterest and find a plain white background. And once I find the background of my choice, I then download the image. So once I do that, I also go into Videoleap. Videoleap is another great app to use, especially when you're like making your animations fit in anytime like you're doing a video or an intro or an outro, which you guys should definitely be sure to check out the video that I made on how to create your own intro and outro video. But right now I am just taking my image and I'm just making it a little big, and I'm just doing that. I'm not really sure why I'm doing that, honestly, but it just makes things a lot easier. That way I can go ahead and screenshot the picture. So now I'm going to go into my photos and I'm going to click the image. So Videoleap is, of course, a video app. So now I'm just going to screenshot it and just crop it to my liking. And honestly, that is all it really took. It's really nothing to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and save that as well, and this is the image. So I really hope you all enjoyed this quick video on how to recreate an image of yourself using the Picsart app. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye.